Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your bonus amount to your 1xBet account. To achieve this, it's quite simple. Before we continue, I will advise you to create a professional 1xBet account. To achieve this, you go to registration, choose a registration method of your choice by phone, fill in your informations, then at the level of promo code, type Chelsea TV. This promo code gives you a 300% bonus at your first recharge, which implies that if you put in 10,000, you get 40,000. First, make sure you have enough bonus points to transfer them to your 1xBet account. Then go to menu, then go to games, 1x games, then search for all. Once you're in all, you're going to type Apple of Fortune. Once you're in Apple of Fortune, you're going to place a bet with the amount of bonus points you desire. If you have a win, you are going to be able to transfer that money to your 1xBet account. That was all for this video.